Okay, now we're ready to paint. So we got our apples out from last time, and we put a placemat underneath so we don't get paint on the table. I have paint on the tray here above us, and our first one is we're going to be dipping into the red, and then we're going to paint the first apple red. So stay inside your black lines, and I always like to outline what I'm painting first. And you don't need more paint unless it starts to dry out on your spreading it out. So if you have clumps, use that first before you get more paint. So this one is finished. I am now going to just wipe this on my placemat to try to clean it off a little. I am now going to dip a little bit into the yellow, and I'm going to paint this one yellow. Now, if you didn't get all the red paint off, you might have color mixing that we are not ready to do yet. So this should be a nice yellow apple. I may even give you a new brush for the yellow so that we don't mix. That one's finished. And now my last apple, I'm going to show you that I have yellow on here, and I'm going to get yellow and red on this apple and mix it. And what color do you see that this yellow and red is making? Good, hopefully you said orange. Red and yellow mixed together make orange. So again, I'm doing the edges, and you can see this painting goes super fast. Okay, and then those 3 apples are finished. Now we do need to paint our leaves. So I'm gonna dip in the yellow, paint some yellow in here. And we gotta go quick because it does dry and we wanna mix a little bit. So again, I'm going to wipe some of this off on my placemat. I'm gonna get a little bit of blue. You only need a tiny, tiny bit. Look at how there's just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit in there, and then I want them to mix. And you should be able to see what color is that making. Hopefully you said green. So we have yellow and blue making green. And now this is ready to go onto the drying rack. I'm going to take my brush and put it in the sink of water.